Hello guys, thank you so much for watching this video. So, have you got your first job on Upwork? If you have got it, then congratulations. Today I have got the first job on Upwork and I'm really excited and I'm very happy to share this video with you. So, after many months, I've got the first job on this site. So, it has made my new year and I'm just happy. So yes, in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually submit the work after you have finished doing on Upwork. So let me show you how you can exactly submit the work. So you can go to my jobs, okay? Just click on it. So I've got one active contract here, okay? You can just see here. So let me show you active milestones, okay? You can see on the screen and due time is Jan 10th, okay? So now let me begin by showing you how to submit the project on Upwork. So you can see green button here on the right hand side, okay? Just click on submit work for payments, okay? And okay, you can just read out these. You can read out the milestone here, the amount, okay? So the amount was $30, okay? So we need to write something here, okay? So I've already prepared with the message. Now I'm just gonna copy and paste, okay? I'm just copying it and then just pasting, okay? So I've written, hey Chris, heartily thanks for making my new year. You have been the first person to give me the job on Upwork. Though the project was time consuming, I enjoyed doing it. You taught me a lot of new things. I've given my best try to do the work and I'm sure you would accept it. You can message me anytime if anything is to be revised again. Once again, thank you so much, Chris. So this is my message, buddy, okay? Now, the most essential thing is to attach the file, okay? So as you can see here, the button which says attach file, okay? Just tap on it and okay, so this one is the file. I'm just opening it and it starts uploading. Okay, 65%, 71, yes. So if you haven't got any job on Upwork yet, then guys, don't just sit back and do nothing. Just have a hope and continue struggling on Upwork. So I never give up. I tried my best to you know edit my profiles to look better, and today I've got this first job on Upwork, and I've got this job after uh, submitting the proposal on Upwork, and the client liked my proposal, and he hired me to do the project for him. So okay, the file has been already uploaded. Okay, and now the final step is to just click on submit button. So I'm just submitting the work now. Okay, so request submitted and awaiting client approval. So what we need to do is, after submitting the proposal, after submitting the file, the project, we need to wait for the approval from the client. So it says, nice job completing the last milestone. Have more to do with Chris. Propose new milestones to keep the contract going. So I don't have any milestone now, so just no thanks. So yes, I've already submitted the work. Now I need to wait for the client, okay, to accept the work. So if he wants me to revise or review the work, then I need to work on it again and try submitting the project again until he approves it. So you can see here the green button which says review or resubmit work. So now the final step is to wait for the client to accept the approval. So yes guys, in this way you can submit your first project or any project on Upwork. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if you found this video useful, please make sure to like, comment, share with your friends, with anyone, and finally make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much, and all the best for your first job on Upwork. Thank you.